All right, good morning. Me and Austin are out here. I'm gonna move all this dirt from around the house that we dug out of along the wall here. It's a lot of scoopfuls, but we're gonna get it done. So I'm probably just gonna put this on time lapse. There's no sense in recording it in real time. It's just a lot of monotonous over and over movement. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. I'm gonna pull some more trees up, clear up some more land here. We're just gonna do a bunch of cleanup today and probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be 60 degrees. It's about 35 right now. So I'm just loosening all this dirt up because it's been sitting here for about a month now, and it's all kind of hardened up from rain and snow, and it's been freezing temperatures for the last almost 2 weeks. So, but he's hauling it all over here because this is where he's gonna build his firing range. And this has got a big hill to it. We're gonna try and build up a landing over there to put up our targets, and over here will be our shooting area. So, all right, here we go. We'll get this done. He's gonna keep working on that. I got a lot of it loosened up for him. And I'm working on clearing all these trees and stuff out that were right here. And none of it's really worth saving for firewood. We're just gonna make a burn pile, burn it all. And these trees, all these roots are connected. Every one of these trees are connected to another tree. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up. He's gonna keep this mowed as a yard for him and his kids. So I got to get all this cleared out, and right here we're gonna be digging a trench from there all the way to that electric pole for the power. So I'm gonna get all the trees cleared out and all this brush and everything cleared out of the way so we can get measurements and start digging that thing. We still got a lot of dirt to move. All right, let's get to it. All right, that took a whole day to get rid of the backside pile of dirt and one other side, but they were the two deepest sides, the most dirt. So, and of course we were just using a tractor and excavator. This stuff was just like, it was hard as a rock, this clay / red dirt. Just hardly you couldn't push the tractor into it. You had to use the excavator to be able to get a full scoop. Trying to keep it enough here so that it'll slope away from the house. I'll be able to grade that out later after this all dries out. It's just sticking even to my blade on the excavator right now. We still got the other side to do, but we were bringing all of this. Try to show you. I should have smoothed that out. I mean, too. There's a lot of soft spots in this field. We were making a pile back here for a backstop for a firing range. And I think we have enough with those two piles of dirt, or those two sides of the house. This is, the sun's right in my camera, isn't it? That's about 5 to 6 foot tall. Got to be 15 foot deep right here. It's 6 foot tall back here for sure. And yeah, I think that's going to be plenty to make a nice big tall backstop. And I think the rest, the one side that we have left, because see, that's going to be we want 100 yards, which would be all the way to that fence line over there. So the thing is, the ground has got a big curve to it, and the center is the highest. That's a low point, and that's a low point. So we're probably gonna bring the rest of that dirt over there and make us a pad to set up shooting stands on. But, man, what a day. So boring just sitting there filling up bucket after bucket. But it's got to be done. And I'll do some more tomorrow. Alright, so let you guys see what I was been dealing with all these trees that was along this whole fence line here. They're all intertwined. Every one of these trees is connected to the other trees. It's been a pain in the butt. I'll never get all these roots out. There's no way. I'll just have to do the best I can. Clean up best I can, just get them out of there. That is an amazing amount of roots. I have no idea what these trees are called, but there's a buttload of it. keep going.